I'm Chris Schutz with Glasscraft here in Golden, Colorado. And today, we're going to do a quick demo for you out of one of my favorite books, done by Homer Hoyt, one of the founders of Glasscraft. I purchased this when I very first started blowing glass, and it goes through many amazing things, including how to set up your setup, and also some very nice simple demos and things to practice on. So today, we're going to do two of my favorite things. We're going to do a button on hollow tubing. We will do another button and turn that into a flower. Sit back and enjoy. I'm glad you enjoyed it sticking out with us. Today we're going to push a button on hollow tubing. Sometimes when you take your pieces off, you're left with just a little bit of garbage up here and your piece is closed off. There's a very easy way to open it back up. It's called pushing a button. What we're going to do is we're going to make a nice gather and we'll push it on our graphite pad. Safety first. So if you have a little garbage on the end of your tubings, you can go ahead and heat it up. Oh, see? Just garbage. Get a nice gather. What you can do is you come directly down on top of your graphite marker pad. You can push yourself a nice button. Make sure you push straight down, and here's your button. Now, set it down and let it cool off. After it's had a chance to sit down and wait a few moments, what you can do is you can very gently brush it through the flame and you hear a very slight crack. Listen carefully. Did you hear that? After it's cracked, with a real gentle push, it comes off. And now you have a very nice new starting point. Enjoy! Today, we'll be pushing a button on solid and using our tweezers to manipulate the glass. Let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start with a nice small gather at the end of our rod. Make sure you spin your glass both directions. There we go. A real nice gather. While it's warm, go ahead and push it ever so gently on your graphite pad. And once again, it resembles a button. Apply a little bit more heat. And with your tweezers, make sure you don't put your tweezers in the flame. Keep your tools out of the flame. Go ahead and gently pinch it, and you can ever so gently also pull it. This will give you a nice pedal effect. And there's the head of our flower. How fun was that? You can do this in many different ways, and you can even use color to suit your own personal needs. So, have fun with this technique and explore your inner glass. Thanks.
Find us on the web at glasscraftinc.com or on Facebook at Glasscraft Winship and on IG at Glasscraft Winship.